Hey everyone, welcome back to Learnido. Today we are going to learn what is React and how to get started with React and what is JSX and React and other things. So, what is React? You can see React is a free open source front end JavaScript library for building user interfaces based on components. So, we are going to learn today what is components and what is JSX because we use JSX and components in React.js. So React is made by Facebook and it is maintained by Facebook or Meta. And by using React, we can develop a single page applications or a mobile app or server rendered with frameworks like Next.js and React Native. So today we are going to start with React. So we can now start how to create a React app. So you just need to install a Node.js in your system. For installing Node.js, you simply go this website and install a LTS version of Node.js. So I've already installed and now I'm going to create a React app. For creating React app, you just need to run this command npx create React app and your app name. So for now I'm creating React app. So you can see here React app installing is start. This might take a couple of minutes. So you can see my React app folder is created and other thing is installing here. Hey guys, so you can see here my React app is created and this is all the dependencies and the folders we need to start our React app. Now I'm opening this folder in a Visual Studio Code for editing our app. So guys, you can see here this is the folder structure of React app. In the first folder, node modules, here all the dependencies which we need to learn a React app. So all the dependencies are here, and public folder we have index.html where our the whole app is linked to this index.html by using this id root. Another favicon icon and manifest it, and this is the main folder src where we are going to edit our app or creating a components and other things. And in the package.js we said React already set up some script for starting the app, building the app or test the app. And in the dependencies section, these dependencies are needed to run the React app. So if you install other libraries like for Material UI or Bootstrap, when you install npm install, so these dependencies are added here. So now we can run the React app here. Npm start. Sorry, we have to open the folder of React app ls and now going to cd React app. So now you can see I am on the React app folder and now I can run npm start command to run the app. So you can see our React app is started, and if we are added the code here, it's real update in real time here. So guys, our React app is running, and this is the app.js. So now we can see it uses a JSX. So what is JSX? React uses a special syntax called JSX, which looks like a HTML but is actually JavaScript. JSX makes it easier to write and understand the structure of your components. So in JSX, you can write a JavaScript expression, like if you need to add a condition if logo exists, so only render a image tag. And if logo is false, so don't render image tag. So you can implement a condition here, but in HTML you can't write this logic here. So this is the difference, HTML in JSX. The second thing in React is a components. So what is components? Components are the building blocks of for your applications. Each component is a piece of a user interface, like a button, a form, or a navigation bar. So you can simply create a components. So first we can add a component folder for the better understanding for other developers. So in components, like we add a button component. You can write any name for your button component. So this is the custom button component, and here we return a simple button. So you can import your components here. And you can render your component like this. So you can see here our button is rendered. So it can be reused. You can use custom button in many component, in many screens or pages. Simply just import the custom button component and render the component. So this is the concept of components in React. And in React, the other thing is virtual DOM. So one of the cool features of React is a virtual DOM. Instead of updating the real DOM directly, React create a virtual copy. This makes update faster and more efficient. So this is virtual DOM. So this is the basic knowledge of React, which everyone have to know before starting the React app. To sum up, React is a powerful tool for building a dynamic user interfaces with reusable components. Like we have created a custom button component. And if you are interested to learn more about React, stay tuned to Learnito for more tutorials. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.